Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to use Snap Camera in OBS Studio. If you want to use Snap Camera in OBS Studio, here is how you can do it step by step. First, go to the Start menu on your PC taskbar. In the search bar, type Camera and open the Camera application. You can use this to capture photos or record videos, which will help you check if your camera is working correctly before integrating it into OBS Studio. Next, open the OBS Studio application on your PC. Once OBS is open, look at the Sources panel at the bottom of the screen, and click on the plus icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Video Capture Device. This option allows OBS to use any camera connected to your PC, including Snap Camera. After selecting it, click OK. You may need to choose your Snap Camera from the device list, depending on what cameras are connected. Once added, you can resize and crop the screen to fit your stream layout. Adjust the camera frame by dragging the edges and corners in the preview window, so that it looks exactly how you want it to appear on your stream. Finally, once everything is set, you can start your stream or recording in OBS Studio, with Snap Camera as your video source. This allows you to use all the fun Snap Camera filters and effects while broadcasting live or recording content. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Snap Camera into OBS Studio and enhance your live streams or recordings with custom filters and effects. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.